So here we have the brand new Moment Bio case for the iPhone 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max. Now, the model that I have here is for the base 11, since that is the phone that I use most frequently. Now, what makes this case so special and worthy of the Bio name is the fact that this phone is completely compostable, meaning that if I no longer wanted to use it, I can throw it into the compost, and within 6 to 12 months, this case right here, what you see before your eyes, will turn into dirt. And that is amazing. Now, aside from that fact, being a case in it itself, it's a really good case. And as you can see, there's a textured back. It has a very nice feel to it, and it doesn't feel cheap at all, although it's made completely of plants and recyclable material. In fact, it has this nice matte feel to it, definitely not rubbery like a silicone case, so you won't get caught on tight pants or shorts that you're trying to take out of. And overall, it has very good cutouts. It allows your camera to sit flush with the table. It has a lip for your screen so that it doesn't touch a table that you set it on. And in general, I would dare say that this iPhone case, this $20 iPhone case, is probably better than the Apple silicone cases that they're currently selling. So definitely check it out. Again, link in the description below. One of the best purchases I've made this year by far.